This is the Microproject report on build a circuit for decade counter using IC 7490 and timer 555 with connected 7 segment display using IC 7447 in the subject of digital techniques 22320 submitted by Rushikesh Gaulkar, Nupur Upadhyay, Prathamesh Nagmote, Prerna Agrawal. Under the guidance of Dr V J Dongre, HOD of Electronics and Communication Department in Government Polytechnic Arvi, Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education Mumbai 2324. Now let's see component used to build the circuit along with their description. First is IC 7490 is a 14-pin dual inline package IC. The pin description of 7490 is as follows. This is 7490 BCD decade counter, which is basically a mod 10 decade counter that produces a BCD output code. It consists of 4 master slave JK flip-flop internally connected to provide mod 2 counter and a mod 5 counter. This is the pin diagram of IC 7447. Next is the 7447 BCD to 7 segment driver. The 7447 display decoder receives the BCD code and generates the necessary signal to activate the appropriate LED segment responsible for displaying the number of pulses applied. The following picture shows the state diagram of BCD counter. It counts in a sequence of 10 and then return back to 0 after the count of 9.
This is the circuit of decade counter using IC 7490 and timer IC 555, and this is a circuit of 7 segment display using IC 7447. This is the circuit of pulse generating using IC 555. The output is taken from pin number 3 and given to the IC 7490 at the pin number 14. It is a circuit of decade counter using IC 7490 in output taken from the pin number 8, 9, 11, 12 given to the IC 7447 as the input of pin number 1, 2, 6, 7. 7 segment display using IC 7447. The 7447 display decoder receives the BCD code and generates the necessary signal to activate the appropriate LED segments responsible for displaying the number of pulses applied. We have applied the source of 9 volt to both the circuit. The pulse generating circuit generates the pulse which is displayed by the LED. The pulse are applied to the decade counter circuit which generates the BCD code shown by the 4 LEDs. The BCD code is applied to the 7 segment display circuit to the IC 7447 as an input. The 7447 IC generates the necessary signals to activate the appropriate LED segments responsible for displaying the number of pulses applied. Then we can see that BCD counters are binary counters that count from 0 to 9 and then resets all. It has the ability to clear all of its flip-flop after the 9th count. Thank you.